What's up, traders, gamblers, speculators? Today we're going to look into how to add your alerts to your trading assistant. The first thing to know is that to set an alert on TradingView, you have to be on the time frame and chart that you want to set an alert. So you have to go into the alert section and then select your condition and create. When you do that, let's say you want to price crossing a certain value, you'll have one alert for price crossing up and you might have another for price crossing down. So that's two alerts you'll have to use, two alerts you'll have to set for every time frame and chart you want to set. The good thing with the Trading Assistant is that it has a built-in function at the bottom for alerts where you can select all four of the options, long, short, target, or stop, to be included in one alert call. So when you go into alert and you select the indicator here, you're going to just set any alert function call, which is what you're going to have checked in the alert itself. So that will be using only one alert call for all four alerts inside the indicator. Another thing to know is that based on the package you have, if you have the basic package, you don't have any alerts. If you have the advanced package, then you have alerts on daily, weekly, or monthly time frame. And if you have the business package, then you have alerts intraday, so on minutes and hour time frame. That means that if you have the advanced package, you can set alerts on daily and weekly, but if you go on the 30-minute, they won't work. Let's say we want to add an alert on the BTC one day, like here. We go into alert section, or we can go directly into the little three dots right here and add an alert on Trading Assistant. This way you skip a step. You don't have to select the condition if you set the alert directly from this section. If you set the alert from the alert section here, you'll have to select the condition first and then any alert function call. So you'll have two more steps. Once you have this selected, you can select an expiration date. So if you want the alert to expire at a certain date, you can select that. Or if you want open-ended, that means it won't ever expire until you delete it. You can give it a name. Let's say BTC one day. You can give a more descriptive name based on the type of alert you have. And then you're going to go into the notification tab and you're going to select if you want to be notified on the app, by email, all the options. To show you how alerts come out, I came down to the 15 seconds time frame and I'm going to add some targets and stops. I'm going to select any on the oscillator target and stop. Any oscillator alert will ring, any long or short will also give an alert. Then I have to set the alert on this time frame, give it a name, so BTC 15 seconds, create, and then we're going to wait. Here we go. So the alert appears at the bottom here. You see it on screen, but this is the alert you'll receive either on the app, by email, all the options you select in notification. If you want a custom message for your alerts, you can go in the indicator setting itself, and all the way at the bottom in the alert section, you uncheck the auto setting and you enter your message right here. So this is where you enter. You can have a code for a bot, it could be for Telegram, it could be for anything. You can just put a custom message right here. This is also where you uncheck if there's an alert you don't want to have. So if you don't want your target or stop to show in the alerts, you just want them on the screen, but you don't want them in alerts, you uncheck those sections right here. And that's all you have to do to set the alerts with the assistant. If you want to know how to set your Telegram bots or custom trading bots, follow up. We're going to have another video on this subject. If you have any comments, leave them below. Leave a like, follow like usual, and good luck with your trading.